Hello everybody. Welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to change WhatsApp phone number. Before starting the video I want to show you my WhatsApp phone number. See, this is my WhatsApp phone number. We will change it now. First of all, open your WhatsApp app. Next, what you have to do. You see here at the top of the right side 3-dot line. Just click on 3-dot line. Next, you will get such kind of page and just click on settings. It's okay. Now you can see your account details. Now, you can see here that is named account. Just click on account. Now you can see here that is change number. Just click on change number. Now, you can see such kind of interface. Just click on next button. Now this is the most important, that is first enter your old phone number. So I am entering my old phone number here. Then enter your new phone number.